Hey guys, welcome back to Super DESAI Sisters. I am Shrija
And I'm Parishi.
and we are together Super DESAI Sisters.
So the recipe we have brought today is cream cheese Oreo cookies. It is so yum. You have to try it. The main ingredient is cream cheese, and we have shown how to make cream cheese in the previous video. It would be provided in the link in the description box below, and also it would pop up on the screen. So the third ingredient would be sugar. I have added 2 cups of sugar. One is powdered sugar and the other is crystal sugar. If you prefer, you can add 2 cups of powdered sugar too. Now we will beat it all together till it forms a smooth paste. So guys, as you can see, a beautiful and smooth texture has been formed. So the next step is adding flour. So I have here added 2 cups of flour, 1 cup of maida and 1 cup of whole wheat flour. And guys, if you prefer healthy cookies, you have to add 2 cups of whole wheat flour. That is up to you. And make sure to add the flour little by little. I have added 2 spoons at a time, because if you add it all at once, it will go all over your places and it will be a total mess. Guys, like this, add the flour little by little and beat it all up, so you will get a texture somewhat like this. Now the next step is taking Oreo cookies. So the next step is crushing our Oreo biscuits. So you have to crush it only a little so that some big pieces are left, and when you add those big pieces in our cookie dough, you can feel it when you eat the cookie. Make sure to don't crush it up too much. I must tell you guys that when you will eat this cookie, those big pieces of Oreo will taste too good in your mouth. So guys, our cookie dough will look something like this. And now, before baking, one step is to be done. That is, we'll keep that in freeze after covering it up for 30 minutes. And after that, we'll take it out and place a butter paper on the baking tray and use a spoon like this or a scoop, and we'll put little by little our cookie dough and press it so that it takes a shape of cookie. So as you can see, you can also use your hand to press down the cookies. It would be much easier. So as you can see, one by one, all the cookies are done. Yay! So as you can see, I have made here palm-sized cookies. You can choose to make smaller cookies too. So now we'll even out all our cookies and put it in our oven. Looks beautiful, isn't it? I will put it for 200 to 230 degrees for 20 minutes. Just give it a little check after 10-15 minutes. So our cookies are done, they're fully properly baked and ready to eat. Trust me guys, this looks so beautiful and yummy. It's worth trying. Do try it out and let us know in the comment sections below that how it was for you. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Do give it a like, share it with your friends and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so that whenever we post a new video, you get a notification. You can check out our other videos too. So goodbye. See you in the next video.